News coming in right now. Tamil Nadu Minister Centre suspension put on hold. The governor says has been advised by the centre to seek the Attorney General's opinion. Governor Ravi writes to M.K. Stalin and says that the Minister for Home Affairs has advised him to seek legal opinion. Stalin, in fact, had said that the Tamil Nadu governor's order has been kept in abeyance. This is the letter copy that India Today is exclusively accessed, which Governor Ravi has written to the Chief Minister, saying, "You may refer to my dear letter of today," which is he is referring to yesterday when this decision was taken regarding the status of Thiru V. Senthil Balaji. In this regard, I have been advised by the Honourable Union Minister of Home Affairs that it would be prudent to seek the opinion of the Attorney General also. Accordingly, I am approaching the Attorney General for his opinion. Meanwhile, the order of dismissal of the Minister, Thiru V. Senthil Balaji, may be kept in abeyance until further communication from me. This is a letter that Governor R.N. Ravi has written to M.K. Stalin. This is dated as well 29th of June, which is yesterday. So after the communication that went out from Raj Bhavan, from the governor to the Chief Minister's office, that he has decided to dismiss Senthil Balaji, the minister who is under investigation for cases of corruption and money laundering and in judicial custody at the moment. He has decided to dismiss him from the state cabinet. A subsequent communication from the governor's office as well. My colleague Shilpa Nair is joining us live right now. Shilpa has accessed this communication letter from the governor's office to the Chief Minister's office. Shilpa, so the governor says, upon advice from the Union Home Affairs Minister, he has decided to seek the legal opinion of the Attorney General now.
Well, that's it, Palmi. In fact, we've managed to get that letter that Governor R.N. Ravi had sent to Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin hours after he dismissed Senthil Balaji from the Tamil Nadu cabinet. In that letter, the governor says, based on the advice from the Union Home Minister, it is prudent that, we take the legal opinion from the Attorney General. And for that reason, the governor told the Chief Minister that his order dismissing Senthil Balaji from the Tamil Nadu cabinet will be kept on abeyance until further communication from him. That is what the letter, of course, says. Remember, the decision of the governor to dismiss Senthil Balaji from the cabinet had raised a huge political controversy in Tamil Nadu, not just in Tamil Nadu, because the move was completely unprecedented. Leaders from across the country, opposition leaders across the country took objection to the manner in which the governor acted unilaterally, because what constitutional experts and even the DMK and other political parties point out is that the governor has no powers to dismiss a minister from the cabinet. He can only act on the recommendation of the Chief Minister and the cabinet. That is the only power of the governor, and he has absolutely no right to dismiss a minister from the cabinet. Now, the governor, of course, said, in his first letter, that letter also India Today has accessed. It's a 5-page letter that he had initially sent to the Chief Minister explaining why Senthil Balaji should not continue as a minister. In fact, governor points out as to how his continuation as a minister could hamper the investigation. He could influence the investigation, and these are some of the grounds that the governor had cited to dismiss.
Shilpa, just stay on with us, because we'll discuss that in detail as well in terms of what were the grounds that were cited by the governor to dismiss Senthil Balaji in the first place, which of course a decision is put on hold at the moment from the state cabinet. This is a fresh twist now which is coming in as far as the dismissal order of Tamil Nadu Minister Senthil Balaji is concerned. The dismissal of Senthil Balaji, a minister in the Stalin-led Tamil Nadu cabinet, has now been kept on hold, and according to sources, Tamil Nadu governor's decision to sack Senthil Balaji will be decided after the legal opinion of the Attorney General. We've now accessed that letter that the governor has written to the Chief Minister, so that clearly states why he's putting it on hold. Now, DMK, in retaliation, has put up posters across Tamil Nadu depicting the various cases against several union ministers of states, asking if, in fact, Governor Ravi will write to Delhi seeking their removal as well. Now, the sacked minister, remember, Senthil Balaji, was arrested by the Enforcement Directorate on charges of money laundering in the Cash for Jobs scam on June 14. He, in fact, had been retained as a minister without any portfolio in M.K. Stalin's cabinet. Now, citing reasons for his dismissal order, Tamil Nadu governor said that Senthil is facing serious criminal proceedings in a number of corruption cases. He further accused Senthil for influencing the probe and obstructing the due process of law and justice.
The actions of the governor are untenable. The governor has no business to pass the order what he has passed. He is undermining the constitution. He is acting like a clown. It is clear that his actions are intentional. This has never happened in the independent India, that a governor is unilaterally sacking a minister. If this analogy is accepted, then tomorrow the president may dismiss Mr. Amit Shah, stating that he is not able to he is not able to stop the violence in Manipur. Normal situation has not returned in Manipur. They may do that. So why the governor is doing this? He wants to do this to ensure he wants to create a crisis situation, because the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu has become a national leader. He has made the entire opposition come together in Patna.
Stalin and his family are so much taken aback by the officials acting against Senthil Balaji. If Senthil Balaji were to be given in custody for a day or two, the entire government will topple. So they are scared to such an extent that they are using all legal means and ways to ensure Senthil Balaji doesn't go to the interrogation room first. And second, the diversion has to be taken out from Senthil Balaji to other issues.
The President of India should immediately sack the governor. A governor who doesn't understand his constitutional limitations, who doesn't understand the constitutional scheme, who doesn't understand as to what the essence or the core of the constitution is, has no right to continue as governor. The governor has acted in a completely egregious manner. He has defiled the constitution and has no right to continue as governor. He should be sacked forthwith by the President of India, because he has subverted the constitution.